Hello student, we are here with the last part of the chapter emerging mode of the business. This will be the last lecture of the chapter because we have gathered a last topic here. So the first one is resource required for a successful implementation of e-business. What are those? First one is computer hardware. A computer hardware should be a better quality that should not create a problematic transaction issue. Okay, so this is an important aspect that can be done through us only. So this should be implied in a well way. Technical qualified staff, there should be a technical qualified staff so that if a particular issue arrives, so that can be handled in a positive and nice way. So this was regarding the technical qualified staff. Okay, so if we are not having a technical qualified staff, that will create a big problem in the sense we are not able to do a work. Okay, next one is computerized system of payment. There should be a computerized system of payment. If that is not there, they will create another big problem for every unit. If this has to be done, that means I am doing a e-business, so from everywhere I cannot get check or the money order. I can only take the check and the issue of through the internet banking facilities. So there should be a computerized system of payment. A particular option should be given by a authority to do the transaction. Next one is well-designed website. It should be a well-designed. Okay, so that if the person is not knowing particular the matter regarding the subject, he will not be able to do the particular transaction. Hindi, English issue comes for the major part of the country because the most of the part of the country, the urban or the rural area you communicate, there are a lot of illiterate, so that create a burden for them. So the well-designed website should be there for the knowledge. Next one is telecommunication facility. If the transaction failed or some of the issue the customer is getting, the telecommunication facility should be provided. Okay, so that he can have a customer call and he can report the particular matter to the company. So telecommunication facility should be a good one. Okay, this was regarding the resource required for successful implementation of e-business. Okay, the next topic is the smart card or ATM or ATM. Okay, so nowadays we are seeing that a government has taken a step that in every ATM card there is a chip, okay, which has been installed. Because of this only it is connected to the satellite. Wherever you do the transaction, it is being recorded. Okay, so SIM card is there, another example, and metro card in the big cities, in the major part of the cities, the particular smart card, that metro card is there, and the government nowadays are issuing the health card. Okay, from the Ayush Mantralaya and all are using that kind of use of the particular card. So this was regarding the smart card facility which are being done. Okay, the next is automated teller machine, which is ATM where we go just put our card in and get the money. So it is a very easiest form of getting the money. Okay, from the past in the past 20 years, people used to stand in a line and wait for their opportunity to come so that they can take the money from the bank. But now the matter has been solved. ATM facility has been provided to them. So if the ATM is there, they can take 24/7 facility is also provided by the government banks, every bank or the private banks. So this was a major part of the particular emerging mode of business. This is an important aspect which has a great impact on the particular society. India is a developing country, we all know. Everything has to be developed in the sense every field, so that the issue should be solved. So here having a glimpse of it, emerging mode of business topics, resources required for successful implementation of e-business. First point is computer hardware. Second one is technically qualified staff should be there. Next one is computerized system of payment should be there. Next one is well-designed website should be there. Telecommunication facility has to be there. If that has not to be there, that will create a burden for every individual. Next one is smart card ATMs. Regarding it was simple: SIM card, health card, and metro card. This all consist of a particular chip which provide a full identity of the particular thing to the satellite. ATM, a simple term, automated teller machine where we get the money in 24/7 facility. This was regarding the emerging mode of business. this was the last part of the chapter. With it, the chapter 5 emerging mode of business has been finished. So have a good look of it, because we have a lot of we have already made a 2 video regarding the matter, and this was the 3rd one. So we will start with the 6th chapter in the later part of the video.